hey, if your JBL Go 4 it's not charging, then you can actually check about two things. The first one, you have to check about your cable. So as you can see, I'm using this USB-C cable, and you have to actually check if your cable or the charging brick it's fully functional. So if it actually works with other devices, like for example with your earbuds or with your smartphone. If it works, it means that something is wrong with your port. If it doesn't work with your earbuds or any other device, it means that you have to try to replace your cable or charging brick. But let's say that everything is fine with the cable. It works with other devices, but it doesn't work with your JBL, which means that we should actually try to clean the USB-C port. You can try to do this with this kind of the item, the thin item that you will be able inside here, but just remember to use plastic items. Do not use metal one. And how you can clean the port, you can try to do this by gently inserting this tool or to the right side or the left side, and then move it to the left one and try to remove any dust, any mess that you have inside. Try to do this from the left side, from the right side. Just remember to do this gently, do not push hard, to do not damage the USB-C port. And if you do this, if you remove like everything from it, there's nothing inside and it still doesn't work, you will have to definitely take advantage of the warranty or repair it with some professional service. So yeah, that's all for this video, the quick answer to your question. Right now please subscribe to my channel.